I think I'm gonna hang it at the front of our door next time. So if you were to come to visit our house next time, you can ring this bell. Welcome back to the channel. So this weekend we're going to Lucerne. The last time I was here was in 2018, but this weekend we're going to explore the city and as well as to 2 mountain peaks in Titlis and in Pilatus. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and let's get going. We're here walking to the Swiss Transport Musuem. I think you can tell that it's quite a rainy day now, so which is a good time for museums. So let's go check it out. Inside the Transport Museum, we see tons of kids here. I think it's going to be a great place for children. And now this museum is really big. There's like different modes of transportation here for trains, for buses, for aeroplanes. So it's super huge. I think you probably will need about 3 to 4 hours to finish this whole museum. But I think it's a great place for families especially. We're so sad because it's raining all over the city, so we can't really walk around now, but we can eat. So there's this bread that looks really unique and we're just gonna try. Vin's going in to buy now. It's on Action. Once you see the word Action, it means sale. Good morning! Today is a much better, sunnier day as you can tell. Yesterday it was so bad, it rained all day, we couldn't even go anywhere. So today I just hope that the weather will stay like this when we go up to Titlis later on. Arrive at the top of Titlis and immediately you'll see the Glacier cave and you can feel the difference in the temperature. So let's go in and see how it looks like. Inside the ice caves, so you can tell like this blue lights. This is not artificial lights, it's actually natural lights. reflected around the cave. It's super cold inside and I think it's like 2 degrees right now. Lunch. Winter meal. So funny because I ordered coffee with alcohol and I thought I really would get like a coffee, but this looks like 99% rum and 1% coffee. Should have gotten your hot chocolate. Spot towards the cave walk. I heard that it's closed unfortunately because it was quite icy yesterday and they had to close it. Towards dinner and now we are just going to cross the Chapel Bridge. Super old and beautiful. I'm just going to show you how it looks like. All sorts of different activities for children, for adults, and there's a lot of climbing going on, and later on there's also going to be a dragon glider. I think it's going to be very fun. It's my first time doing it. The obstacle course and all I can say is that I know that my zodiac is a monkey, but after I climb all this I feel that I'm super not agile, and the worst is the one with the ropes. They look easy but they are freaking difficult. I'm just glad that it's over for now. So last activity before we end our day, going for the toboggan slide. I think it's gonna be fun.